So in February 2026, I decided to take myself for a short little photography adventure to the Baltic countries of Latvia and Estonia. I spent 6 days backpacking around, and this included a day in the Latvian capital of Riga. Here's how I got on.
Alright, well, welcome to a very cold and snowy Riga. It is February the 16th and it is about -12 at the moment, so yeah, pretty cold. As you might be able to tell, I've got a bit of a sore throat, but I'm doing my best. Probably not the best weather to be in when you've got a bad throat, but hey ho. I am here for just a couple of days to explore the city. Then I'm getting a bus up to Tallinn in Estonia. But yeah, let's go and see what Riga's all about for now. So the Daugava River, completely frozen over. You can see people have been walking on it down there. That is mad. It's a huge river. That's like the Thames being frozen over. It's actually bigger than the Thames, I'd say. Wow. Tickets are €9, so I'm not sure. Can I have some of this? Yeah. Yeah, how much is it?
40 euro 90 with portion.
Okay, yeah. Can I have one of those?
You need?
Yeah. Yes, please. Yeah. $8.67. Yes, card. Quite a cute little street. Behold the Latvian National Opera. Right, it is 4 PM now. I've been walking around for about 6 hours, I think. Starting to get a bit cold and tired because of my cold, so I think I'm going to head back to the hostel, have a couple of hours of rest, and then head out for dinner again. Right, time to head out and get some grub, I think. Let's go. Let's go and check out what these Lidos are all about. That is good. Thank you. Second beef and potato dish of the day. That definitely hit the spot. Alright, back to bed. I've got a big day tomorrow. Need to get up early, so let's call it a day.
Thanks for watching. I hope you did enjoy this episode. If you did, please let me know by subscribing below. It really helps the channel. Otherwise, hope to see you again soon.